How to add WhatsApp account in iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add WhatsApp account in iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. Now, if you wish to add WhatsApp account to iPhone right now, what you can do is you can simply head over. Now on an Android device here, let me show you first. On an Android device, if you open up WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, head over to settings, tap on accounts, you'll get the option to add account. Now, unlike an Android device on the iOS or iPhone, the update has not been released yet. So if you head over to WhatsApp, head over to settings, head over to accounts, you'll see that there isn't any option to add account. Now, unfortunately, the option itself is unavailable. However, you can use two different accounts on WhatsApp. The trick here is you want to head over to App Store, and on App Store, you can search in for WhatsApp Business. So search in for WhatsApp Business and download WhatsApp Business. Now you can log into one of your accounts as business account on WhatsApp Business, and you can use it for your personal use as well. So you can simply use one account on WhatsApp Business and the other on WhatsApp Messenger. So this is how you can use two accounts on WhatsApp on iPhone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.